Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says the correct difference between first and second order reaction is that differences between first and second order are given. We have to find out which one is correct. So the first option says the rate of a first order reaction does not depend on reactant concentration. The rate of a second order reaction does depend on reactant concentrations. The half-life of a first order reaction does not depend on A naught. The half-life of second order reaction does depend on the A naught. A first order reaction can be catalyzed, a second order reaction cannot be catalyzed. The rate of a first order reaction does depend on reactant concentrations. The rate of second order reaction does not depend on reactant concentrations. So the correct answer for this question is option second, as we all know that half-life for the first order reaction has a formula of 0.693 upon K. And or of order second, the half-life formula is 1 upon K multiplied with A naught. So here this comes, but in for first order, yeah. So in second we can see that it has a relation with A naught, but in first order it does not have any relation. The formula is simple, just K is there and this is constant. So the correct option is second, as it says the half-life of a first order reaction does not, yes it is true, it does not depend on A naught, and the second half-life of second order reaction does depend. So option 2 is correct.